Hello friends, I created one SQL project for you named as Hospital Information Management System. We can call it as a HIMS. Means this is for college student, SQL developer, data analyst, data scientist. How it is useful for college student or SQL developer means they can get the HIMS knowledge, means domain knowledge, and after that they can able to write the select queries, means how to retrieve the data from multiple tables, joins, then there is a database diagram. Then after that we will go to the data analyst or data scientist, means there is a large data set you will get here, and you can do the analysis on it, and you will get the some crisp information at the end. And you can mention this project in your resume as well, and at the end you will get the complete source code of this project.